If you have unruly, wavy hair like me and you hate spending a ton of time blow drying your hair, this is your best lazy girl tutorial. No fancy equipment, not a ton of products here, just the best technique for your perfect blowout every single time. First things first, do not ever, and I mean ever, blow dry your hair when it's sopping wet. Next, you need a really good product. This is the only one I use when I blow dry my hair. It's the bomb, highly recommend, get it. Split your hair in sections, I don't care how you do it. But the key is you're only going to dry this much of it with a round brush and the blow dryer, and this you're gonna let air dry. Trust me. The key to volume is using a brush with a wide barrel. So this brush is fantastic, really lightweight. I can send you a link. This is the 55 XL, but it's nice and fat so that when I blow dry my hair, I am creating a lot of volume. You can see that I've got really nice bouncy rounded end, and then here I've still got some frizz because I really didn't do a great job of drying there. That's okay, this is gonna keep most of your hair healthy. So continue sectioning your hair and blow drying, but when you get to the front and the crown, then you're gonna dry really close to the crown and you're gonna roll it so that you're drying all of the hair and not just this piece. Here's a pro tip: as you're blow drying your hair, and you're kind of working through the ends, before you remove the brush, actually just hold it there while it's still hot. After you blow dried, hold it there while it's still hot for like 15 seconds. And what that does is it sets the curl. Look how good that looks. So as you're getting closer to the top, you do want to be mindful of frizz. So here's what you're going to do. You are going to start using your blow dryer to get some of that frizz down, and then getting closer to the crown. And if you have baby hairs like me, you're gonna wanna make sure to get in there and really stretch these guys. It's also gonna create luscious, luscious volume. Hello, look, already. You can also set the curl with rollers and pins, which is what I like to do to get really good volume. Okay, I've had these in about 5 minutes. Let's look at the result. Look at this volume. Like, this is enormous. Look how gorgeous. Hello. I mean, it's foolproof. Every time. Every time. And then for like the shoulder hair length, I love that it makes my hair look huge. I feel like the zhuzh just ups anything I'm wearing. Like this volume, I could wear a sweatshirt and leggings, but like, how hot do I feel? Because my hair is enormous. Big hair is so sexy. Look at that. So if you do have a lot of damage and you have flyaways, I have been there, girl. I feel you. When those hairs stick straight up, it drives you bananas. So you can do some hairspray. I use Bouncy Bay. I get it at Marshall's. I'm not partial to any brand. I just kind of whatever, because I don't use a ton of it. Spray some on your brush, not on your head. Spray some on your brush and then go over the flyaways with it. That way you're not loading your hair up with product or alcohol-based products, and you still get the same effect. So there you go. Hope you like this tutorial. Please follow for more. Thank you for being with me.